Have you ever wondered what foods you should include in your diet to enhance your health? With countless options available, choosing the healthiest foods can be overwhelming. In this video, we will uncover the 10 healthiest foods that not only promote overall well-being, but are also delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. From boosting your immune system to improving heart health, these superfoods offer remarkable benefits. So let's dive in and discover how to make them a part of your everyday diet. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like iron and calcium. These nutrient-dense vegetables are low in calories, making them perfect for weight management. Incorporate them into your meals by adding them to salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. A green smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk is a great way to start your day. 2. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. They help fight inflammation and are known to improve heart health. Add them to your breakfast cereals, yogurt, or smoothies for a sweet and healthy treat. You can also enjoy them as a snack or use them to make a delicious berry salad. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and seeds such as chia and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They promote heart health, help regulate blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling full. Sprinkle nuts and seeds on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt to boost your nutrient intake. A handful of mixed nuts makes for a great on-the-go snack. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that is high in protein and fiber, making it an excellent alternative to rice or pasta. It is rich in essential amino acids and various vitamins and minerals. Use quinoa as a base for salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish. Try making a quinoa salad with chopped vegetables, herbs, and a light vinaigrette for a nutritious meal. 5. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. They are also a great source of high-quality protein. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. A simple baked salmon with lemon and herbs is a tasty and healthy option. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, promoting gut health and aiding digestion. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack, or even in cooking. Use Greek yogurt as a base for smoothies, or top it with fruits and nuts for a healthy breakfast or snack option. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. They are a healthy source of carbohydrates and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Enjoy sweet potatoes baked, mashed, or roasted. They can be added to salads or served as a side dish with your favorite protein. 8. Legumes. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and various nutrients. They are heart-healthy and help keep you feeling full. Incorporate legumes into soups, stews, or salads. A hearty lentil soup is not only nutritious but also filling and delicious. 9. Garlic. Garlic is not just a flavorful addition to meals. It also boasts numerous health benefits. Known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Add fresh garlic to your dishes, or use garlic powder as a seasoning for a healthful boost. 10. Avocado. Avocado is a unique fruit rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. It also contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Use avocado as a spread on toast, in salads, or as a creamy addition to smoothies. A simple avocado toast topped with cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of salt is a fantastic breakfast option. Incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet can significantly enhance your health and well-being. By making small changes and being mindful of what you eat, you can experience a profound impact on your overall health. We encourage you to try these foods and explore new recipes to make them a delicious part of your daily routine. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Share your favorite healthy foods in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to lead healthier lives.